All right.
Anthony Patrick, coach of St. Catherine High School.
All right, Mr. Patrick, a riveted performance from your team, especially in the first half. You guys really digging to get this result. How you evaluate your team performance?
I think the first half we really played a brilliant first half. We played a brilliant first half. The second half, JC Tech started to make some changes and bring a lot of senior players again. But when you look at my team, a few senior players that are out there, I ask them to dig deep without niggling injury. Fight out as deep as possible, carry the game as deep as possible. That could bring on the few youngsters, the 14 and 15 year olds that come onto the field and we really finish off the game for us, and I'm happy with that.
JC is a team that normally tend to score early and then try to control the game after that. Did you have that in mind in regards to them scoring early and just nullify them from scoring early and just keep the game as close as possible until the final whistle? Did you have that in mind?
Yeah, I'm being around the schoolboy football for so long. You know, a JC team. And a coach and Fergie, a good friend of mine, I would say we're like brothers. Really dialogue a lot, he reads a lot. But
you know some insights.
Yeah, so definitely the two we really fought out today. But I think it's a good game on the pine cheer, so I'm happy with that.
The number 10, in my perspective, that is the reason I gave him man of the match. He was brilliant in the first half. In the second half, he went back a little bit deeper. Was that your instruction for him to control the game from a deeper position?
Yeah, definitely. When niggling injuries, a few senior players around, we asked him to play a little bit deeper as a leader, to control the tempo of the game for us, and he did well, and I'm very happy with that.
All right, well done, coach, and congrats on the performance.
Yep.